Hello guys, it's Tarnie. Welcome back to my channel. Now today is literally the best day of my whole life, okay? So yesterday I come home and what is waiting for me but my conspiracy palette. So yeah, today is a super exciting video as I'm going to be trying out the new conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I have never ever tried a Jeffree Star cosmetics product before. This is the very first thing I've ever ordered from him, and not gonna lie, like I wasn't really interested in Jeffree until I saw the Shane Dawson documentary series, not even the palette one, like the one from a while back, I don't know. Anyway, I literally have just binge watched Shane Dawson's videos ever since seeing his Jeffree Star series. And honestly, I just love him so much. Like, I have not fallen in love with someone this quickly before. He is just the sweetest person I was going to say I've ever met, but I've never met him. That would be a dream. But yeah, I just think that he's so good at what he does, and he is so passionate, and you can really see it in what he has created here today. So I can't wait to test it out and have a play around. So what I might do, I have already opened it just to have a quick look, but I haven't touched any of the colors yet, so I am super excited to see what the pigment is like. When it arrives, actually I will just say the packaging on these items is like nothing I've ever seen before. Like when it arrived, so I ordered off the Beauty Bay website. Actually, let me just go further back, because when this palette launched on the 1st of November, in Australia, the time it launched was 4 AM. So, like, do the math. Of course I was going to wake up at 4 AM to order it. So, I was at a friend's house and I literally set my alarm for 3:55 in the morning. I ordered through I ordered through Beautylicious, I think. I don't even know, it's not here. It took me half an hour to place the order because the site kept like crashing and I kept losing the items in my cart and whatever. But yeah, so that was a stressful half hour of my life and I was exhausted for the whole next day. But anyway, back to the packaging. This packaging is incredible. Like, it arrived in a box and then it had tissue paper around the palette. And it's just the little details like this. I've got it here. Like, it's got, for starters, like a little sticker here and it says Beautylish presents Jeffree Star Cosmetics. But like the tissue paper, it's like, I didn't even pick up on this, but my friend was like, hey, that's Jeffree's tattoos, isn't it? So I just think that that's so unique and just above and beyond. Like, you wouldn't expect that. So I'm gonna keep that for something, I don't know. And then the palette itself, it arrives like this. What you do is you just, why am I pushing it that way? Slide it out, and then here is the palette. Now this palette has to be the most incredible palette I have ever seen. It comes with clasps on the side, so you open it up like this, and then it's so pretty. Everyone's been talking about the colors, and like, I do agree, it's not the palette I would normally go for. However, Jeffree and Shane were right, like, it gets you excited and it gets you wanting to play with color. So I think they've nailed that. Of course, it's not just a plain and simple everyday palette. It's definitely a palette to get your mind thinking and get you being a little bit more creative, and I love that. You do, of course, have the top row, which is definitely more of your wearable colors, so you can create everyday looks with this palette. You've got your brighter colors in the middle row, and then like your deeper, like night out kind of tones on the bottom. And they just look incredible. Like, oh, I've got to take the plastic off. And even just the attention to detail on the stamps that they've put onto the eyeshadows, like, it's just incredible. So I really do take my hat off to Jeffree and Shane. I think this is such an incredible palette idea, and they've really nailed the brief of what they were hoping to achieve. But the real test will be, how good are these eyeshadows? So I think I might start to have a play around. So I don't really know what I want to do, but I do know I want to do something really different to what I normally do. definitely want to stick away from like my browns and like the warm tones that I normally go for. Do I want to do some swatches? Yeah, I might just do a couple swatches first of some shades that are drawing my eye. Now the first one, I don't know why, but Illuminati, I just think that looks incredible. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh. Okay, I've ruined the stamp, damn it. Oh, I just hit my camera. Oh gosh. Did you just see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, like I've seen people swatching these online and I was like, yeah, it's not gonna be like that in real life, but oh. Okay, let's try just a theory. Like this I think would be a color that I would use almost every day. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. That I think is like my favorite color in the whole palette. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's do one more. What do we want to do? Diet Cola. That looks iconic. Yeah. Okay. Ladies and gents, like that's not normal. Okay, I'm just gonna get straight into it. I have no idea what look I want to do. Let's just get this, we'll zoom in so you can get the full effect. Alrighty, I think we're ready to go. Of course, like all my brushes are dirty. How good. That's alright. Now, first up, I'm going to take the shade Pigment, which is that light pink shade. I love the name, Pigment, and it has a pig in it. Okay, I've just picked up the tiniest amount of product. Keeping in mind, my brush is dirty, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to start by packing that into my crease. Okay, like I don't mean to be dramatic, but I'm going to be. This is incredible. Like I've only just started blending. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take the shade above it, and that's called My Pills. It's just a very soft, creamy white shade, just to very lightly diffuse those edges, even though they've blended really nicely on its own. Now here is where I don't really know where I want to go. I think I'm going to mix it up and try something a little bit darker. So I'm going to take Not a Fact, which is like a deep purpley shade. And I'm just going to start by putting that in my outer corner. Okay, and then going back into Pigment. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hey, how are ya? Now, taking some concealer, I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to start cutting the crease. Now, I'm going to go back into the palette. I'm just going to get a little bit of the purple again, so Not a Fact. Just going to stamp that to blend the edge in. I know I definitely want Diet Cola on the inner third. I'm thinking, can I do Illuminati on that? Okay, I'm going to actually start with Diet Cola, I think. So, that's that nice silver shade I swatched on my hand. I'm just going to start by taking it on a brush just so I can take away the tackiness of the concealer. That looks cool. Or do I want to take Just a Theory? Because I feel like Just a Theory would probably look better. No, I kind of want to go with Illuminati. Let's just do it. I don't even care. Is this gonna work? I'm scared. Just gonna try and blend this, the Diet Cola with Illuminati. I think that's pretty much what I want to do for the top of the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna take pigment again and just sweep that all underneath. And then I might just get the tiniest amount of, not a fact. And now, going to my inner corner, I'm going to take a small brush and taking food videos, how iconic, in my inner corner. Okay, she's not as bright as I thought, but like it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Calm down, we're gonna make it work. It actually looks better in real life. Oh, that's a vibe. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cool. And then I might also go in with ranch as like a highlight and see if that works. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off and then just finish doing the other eye and I will be right back. I'm shook. Seriously. Okay, I need to like put a lippy on. Hang on. Okay, folks, I've put a lippy on. I think we're pretty much done. I don't want to put any blush on because I don't think we need blush. Do you know what I might do though? Is I might actually take my highlighting brush, or maybe I'll take a fan brush, and I'm gonna take ranch and see how that works as a highlight. I mean, like, I've already got Mecca highlight on, which is amazing, but I just want to try. That's pretty. Oh, whoa, that is pretty pretty intense. This is incredible. Okay, I already want to film another look because this palette is just insane. You know what? I think we're done. I think this is the completed look. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. That brings me to the end of this video. Oh my gosh. This, like, I'm not the best at makeup, like crazy looks, but this I'm kind of impressed with. But yeah, anyway, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I just want to have massive shout out. Shane, Jeffree, this is incredible. Like, I'm just... Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this one. If you have, please remember to give it a like and also subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!